In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficial, myself Ramesh Khan, you are watching CGPA Genius. Firstly, thank you so much for watching this video. I am here for what? Actually, I am gonna start English learning course for you. Yes, this is very interesting. Yes, it is. So, for learning any language, we start from grammar, we start from basics. Okay, so inshallah, we will become fluent in English. Yes, I'm here to teach you, so subscribe my YouTube channel, my dear students. Okay, we will learn English, then we will try to speak. Okay, if you want to speak English, seriously, if you want to speak English, then you should try to speak. Okay, you should try to speak, but I know that you are fearful about doing mistakes. So don't be fearful about doing mistakes. Do mistakes and learn from mistakes, because mistakes are proof that you are trying. So try trying it and do mistakes and learn from mistakes. Okay, so because we are human being actually. Okay, there is nobody perfect. We are human being, there is nobody perfect. Okay, I know, you know that there is nobody perfect. So why are you trying to become perfect? Don't try to become perfect, be original. Okay, I'm here to teach you. We will learn English, then we will try to speak. So I'm speaking English, you can listen. We will define grammar, and then we will discuss the 8 major parts of speech. Okay, so what is grammar? Actually, I can say that the whole system and structure of languages. Okay, for learning any language, we start from grammar. Okay, if we're going to learn Urdu language, then we will start from grammar, Urdu grammar. But in this video, we're going to discuss about English language. So we will discuss English grammar. The word grammar meaning. What is the meaning of grammar? What is the definition of grammar? So listen what I am saying. Grammar is the whole system. Okay, the whole system, I can say that the whole system and structure of languages, usually consisting of syntax, semantics, morphology and phonology. So what is, you can note down. Okay, so what is syntax? Syntax is the study of structure of sentence. Okay, phonology is the study of sound. Yes. Okay, so morphology is the study of form of words, and semantics is the study of meanings included translation. So actually this is the definition of grammar. Okay, so now next, after the learning process of grammar, the definition of grammar, we're going to discuss about the 8 major parts of speech. So what is parts of speech? We can define as a category to which a word is assigned according to its syntactic function. Okay, we can define parts of speech, a category to which a word is assigned according to its syntactic function. What is syntactic function? Syntactic word derived from syntax. We know that the syntax is the study of structure of sentence. So syntactic function means, syntax, okay, means structure of sentence. Clear? Is it clear? Yes, hope so. Okay, so there are eight major parts of speech. Okay, so firstly we will discuss noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, thing or idea. Okay, so in noun includes people. Okay, so for example, what is noun? People. Okay, so I can write my name, Armish. Okay, so it is the example of a noun. Okay, animals, dogs, cats. So what is dog or dogs? Noun. Okay, substances, table, chair, are also example of noun. Also examples of noun. Clear? States mean government, country. In states includes country or government. We can say India, Pakistan, Italy, Europe. Okay. Events, Christmas, Eid al-Fitr, Christmas, and other happy birthday. Okay, birthday. Okay, so birthday is an event. Okay, birthday is an event. Okay, feelings, ideas, feelings, love, happiness, joy. Okay, and hate. These are example of noun actually. So ideas, swimming, bath, etc. So actually these are the examples of noun. Clear? Yes. So what is pronoun? We can define as a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun or phrase. Okay. Common pronouns are he, she, you, we, I, they, this, that, them. Okay. Actually, pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Okay. Adjective describes or modifies nouns and pronouns. Okay, so for example, red bag. What is bag? Bag is a noun. I say red bag, black bag, yellow bag. It means that I am modifying the noun. Okay, so red mean adjective because adjective describes or modifies nouns and pronouns. Is it clear? Yes. Okay, so red, gentle. Gentleman, man refers to a person. It means man is a noun. So gentleman, it means gentle is adjective. Okay, so nice poet. Poet refers to a person. It means poet is a noun. And nice means nice is a word that refers to adjective. Nice is adjective, poet is noun. So actually adjective modifies nouns or pronouns. Okay, smart girl. So girl is a noun, smart adjective. Okay, so verb. What is verb? Verb is used to show an action or a state of being. Okay, so beautiful lady, beautiful, actually she's a beautiful lady, so beautiful mean adjective. Okay, so clever boy, boys noun, and clever mean adjective. Girl, smart adjective. Girl is a noun. Okay, verb is used to show an action or a state of being. Okay, jump, run, play, write, buy, drink, sit, can, dance, believe, listen, may, must, read, should, love, feel. Actually these are examples of verb. Okay, what is adverb? Adverb is used to modify a verb, adjective, and other adverbs. Okay, adverb is used to modify verb, adjective, and other adverb. Okay, so for example, carefully, immediately, accordingly, already, badly, nearby, never, often, rarely, yesterday, truly, quickly, out, pretty. Okay, now what is preposition? Pre means before, position means placement. Okay, prepositions are the words. Preposition are the words that we put before nouns or pronouns. Okay, preposition, or we can define as preposition, a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun, or we can define as prepositions are used before nouns to form a phrase that shows where, when, how, and why. Actually, there are some examples of prepositions. Okay, so in, above, to, for, at, on, between, into, from, below, beside, after, against, behind, down, over, under, since, until. Actually, these are examples of prepositions. Now, what is conjunction? Okay, so conjunctions join clauses. In next lecture we will discuss what is clause, what is phrases, what is actually sentence structure. Okay, in next lectures inshallah we will discuss. Okay, so what is a conjunction? Okay, so conjunctions join clauses or sentences or words. Join words, join clauses, join sentences. Okay, for example, and, nor, yet, but, so, or, neither, for. Okay, in next lecture we will discuss types. Okay, so types of noun, types of pronouns, types of verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Inshallah we'll discuss. Okay, so interjection, what means that we can define interjection as interjections are used to show surprise or emotion. Interjection are used to show emotions. Okay, so hey, this is me. Hey, it's enough. Hey, it's enough. Hey mean interjection. Okay, oh god, what is mean? Interjection, because interjection shows surprise or emotion. Okay, in these words emotions included. In these words emotions are included. So I emotionally say that oops, ouch, I don't know, oops, ouch, disgusting, disgusting. Well, oops, alas, wow, few, oh, bravo, wow, it's so relaxing. So these are examples of interjection. Okay, bye bye.